Hello everyone, in my today's this video I am going to show you how you can enable a dual WhatsApp in your device Vivo Y77. So if in this device if you want to enable a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp or a second WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to download another same, you can do this just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. But before we move on to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video and learn how you can enable or download a dual WhatsApp in your device.